Choosing the right iPad for the new school year. iPad Gen versus iPad Air versus iPad Pro. As students gear up for the upcoming academic season, many are considering an iPad as their primary study companion. Apple lineup, comprising the entry-level iPad often called iPad General, the mid-range iPad Air, and the high-end iPad Pro, caters to different needs and budgets. This guide will help you identify which model best balances performance, portability, and price for student life. 1. iPad General, the affordable all-rounder. Starting around $329, the standard iPad delivers the core iPad experience at an accessible price. With a 10.2-inch Retina display, a 13 or a 14 Bionic chip, depending on generation, and support for the first-generation Apple Pencil, it covers essential tasks: web research, e-textbook reading, video lectures, and basic note-taking. Its Lightning port and 8-megapixel rear camera handle document scanning and video calls adequately. Strengths: very budget-friendly entry point for students. Solid battery life up to 10 hours of mixed use. Familiar home button with Touch ID. Limitations: 60 Hz display without promotion smoothness. Heavier bezel design and slightly bulkier form. Only first-generation Apple Pencil support. Limited RAM and lower-end processor for demanding apps. For students whose primary needs are note-taking, reading, and light multitasking, the iPad General offers reliable performance without breaking the bank. It also makes room in your budget for accessories, like a keyboard case or extra pencil. 2. iPad Air, the sweet spot. Priced from $599, the iPad Air strikes a balance between affordability and power. It features a 10.9-inch liquid Retina display, True Tone, and P3 wide color gamut. The A14 or M1 chip, depending on the model year, significantly outpaces the standard iPad, delivering smooth performance in graphic-intensive apps, document editing, and even casual gaming. Students working on digital art, light video editing, or more sophisticated productivity apps will appreciate this uplift. Strengths: slimmer, lighter design around 1 pound with uniform bezel. Support for Apple Pencil 2 via magnetic pairing and wireless charging. USB-C port for faster data transfer and versatile connectivity. Strong performance for specialized apps e.g., Procreate, Affinity Photo. Limitations: no promotion, 120 Hz refresh rate. Lacks Face ID, uses Touch ID in the top button. Pricier than the base model, potentially stretching a tight student budget. For students seeking a stylish device that can handle more than basic tasks, such as graphic design projects, coding environments on the go, or multitasking between PDFs, notes, and web browsers, the iPad Air represents a worthwhile investment. 3. iPad Pro, the ultimate student workstation. Starting at $799 for the 11-inch model and $1,099 for the 12.9-inch with mini LED, the iPad Pro is designed for power users. It boasts Apple M1 or M2 chip, delivering laptop-class performance that can run professional-grade software, 4K video editing in LumaFusion, 3D modeling in Shaper 3D, and large-scale multitasking. The Promotion 120 Hz display offers ultra-fluid scrolling and Apple Pencil responsiveness, while Face ID maintains a full-screen design free of a home button or fingerprint sensor. Strengths: industry-leading performance for the heaviest workloads. 120 Hz Promotion display and high-brightness XDR screen on 12.9-inch. Advanced camera system with lidar for AR applications. Magic Keyboard compatibility transforms the iPad Pro into a quasi-laptop. Limitations: highest price point in the lineup. Heavier and thicker, especially the 12.9-inch mini LED model. Battery life under intense workloads may dip below lighter models. If your coursework involves video production, 3D animation, complex data analysis, or augmented reality projects, the iPad Pro can double as both tablet and laptop, justifying its premium cost. Making your decision. 1. Define your primary use if your workflow is limited to note taking, reading, and light PDF markup. The standard iPad suffices. For creative assignments, digital art, photo editing, or graphic design, the iPad Air Extra Power and Pencil 2 support matter. If you require desktop class performance and plan to replace a laptop entirely, the iPad Pro shines. 2. Set your budget factor in not just the tablet but also essential accessories. Apple Pencil, which ranges from $99 for Pencil 1 to $129 for Pencil 2. Keyboard cases $159, $299, and protective covers. 3. Consider portability. The iPad Gen and iPad Air are lighter and more compact for carrying between classes. The 12.9-inch Pro, while offering a larger canvas, may feel cumbersome on daily commutes. 4. Look for education pricing. Apple offers academic discounts of approximately 510% through its education store, which can make higher-end models more attainable. 5. Think long-term. An iPad Air or Pro may have greater resale value and longevity as apps and operating systems evolve. No single iPad suits every student. By aligning your choice with your academic needs and budget, you'll turn your tablet into an indispensable study partner for the year ahead. Happy learning!